So hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So this is gonna be a trade breakdown video of the current trade showing over here. So let's get started. So this is basically a trade which I was eyeing yesterday, and I've been looking for it when it had actually formed. So this was the setup back then. I'll be just showing you. This was the setup when it was forming, and I had chosen this POI over this zone. So let's look into this trade and how I actually planned for it. So let's get started. I'll be moving it. Okay. So basically what actually happened into the higher time frames, into the 15 minutes, that is, the price was sweeping the highs over here, previous highs, and when the kill zone started at 11:30, I'll be showing you into the 3 minutes over here. Okay. So when the kill zone started over this zone, I was able to see a continuously sweep of the highs in the market, and later what happened was this breakdown over here. So what actually happened, that it was a crucial breakdown for me, since there was a FBG over this zone. And not only an FBG, the price had left a BPR over this area. So considering this, I had put an entry over this zone just here, putting my stop loss over this zone, that is the breaker area, and my TP was this area at the point. But what actually happened, that the market rushed into the downward direction without giving me an entry. Just look at it, how the trade ran into it. So what actually happened after then, that I had been targeting, I'll be moving the charts. Oh my god, I moved the chart so much. So looking into this area over here, that I was actually anticipating that the market is gonna take all of these equal highs over here. But what the market was showing, that it was reluctant to go higher since a longer time. Just look at it. Over here, and these areas too. So it built a narrative in my mind that the market is gonna go below now. So what was the levels which I had been eyeballing, that this was the level that was a 15 minutes POI for me in the higher time frame. Oh my god, let's change it into gray. Okay, so why only this entry? So this entry was not triggered during the whole London session. So what actually happened and made me take a direct entry over here was this zone, that the price had only one order flow left over here into the 15 minutes. I'll be removing the Asia sessions indicator over here. Okay, so now that you can see how clearly it is showing that it's not gonna go above. So basically what was happening over here, that the market breached this 15-minute order flow over here, made me think there is one more high probable area where the price is not gonna go above now, since it breached the POI. So basically what I was thinking over this zone, that I could have entered this trade over here too. But what actually happened, that the price failed to break below it. Though it was a perfect zone having an FVG over here, for the price to react to the downward side. But since there was no flip over this zone, I considered not to enter this trade over here, and the price started to go up into the upward direction. And one more thing happened over here was this candle structure over here again, that is continuously sweeping the highs of it. And what I observed that each and every leg over here was mitigated by the market, making it a liquidity pool over here for the market to move into the downward side. So it was pretty much a direct entry. Apart from that, there is another entry into this trade that was, let me remove this area first, okay. That was over here when the price respected this BPR over here, broke below it, that is this zone over here. This zone was a pretty much good entry point for the market. It's market gray, okay. So, putting an entry over here, stop loss over this zone, and this was the target. So why am I targeting only this zone over here? Because the FVG in the higher time frame, I mean the FVG, not the FVG over there, the order flow in the higher time frame, just look at it, was already mitigated. So this was the most closest leg for the market to go to. And why am I only targeting the closest leg? Because we were already in sideways into the monthly and weekly and daily levels. So I was not actually targeting huge targets into this kind of market conditions. So this was all for today. Do let me know if you like my trade breakdown, and do let me know if you are facing some problem regarding it. If you like this video, do like my channel and do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Peace.